Still driving without full protection? Are you serious? Introducing the PRUVEEO D90-4CH dash cam, your ultimate 360-degree car protection solution. Are you a rideshare driver, taxi driver, or simply someone who wants complete peace of mind while on the road? Look no further. The PRUVEEO D90-4CH is designed to deliver unparalleled protection and capture every moment, ensuring you never miss a detail. Why choose PRUVEEO D90-4CH? Comprehensive coverage, 360-degree in protection. With 4 1080p FHD cameras, you get a full view around your vehicle, ensuring no blind spots and complete security. Compact design. Measuring just 3.5 inches, it fits seamlessly into any vehicle, providing powerful performance without being intrusive. Superior night vision. Sony Starvis night vision technology. Drive confidently at night with exceptional low-light performance, capturing crystal-clear footage even in the darkest conditions. Built for durability, high-quality materials, made with top-tier heat-resistant PC material, the PRUVEEO D90-4CH is designed user-friendly features loop recording. Enjoy continuous recording without worrying about running out of storage space. Wi-Fi connectivity. Easily transfer and playback videos on your devices for seamless management and review. Perfect for every driver. Whether you're a rideshare driver, taxi driver, or use carpool services, the PRUVEEO D90-4CH promotes safe driving behavior and captures every detail. Protect yourself against parking lot incidents, hit and runs, and vandalism with this reliable dash cam. Key features at a glance. 4. Adjustable wide-angle cameras, endless recording possibilities. Sony Starvis night vision. Superior performance in low-light conditions. Heat-resistant PC material. Perfect for extreme weather conditions. Loop recording and Wi-Fi. Easy to use and maintain. Invest in the PRUVEEO D90-4CH dash cam today and drive with confidence, knowing you have the best technology on your side. Don't wait. Secure your vehicle and ensure your peace of mind now. Don't wait. Click the link in description and get your PRUVEEO D90-4CH dash cam now.